Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties, and I'm in Invermere, BC, talking about my new listing, unit number 3409 at Lake Windermere Pointe. This is a beautiful one-bedroom plus den top floor unit that has been renovated, beautiful flooring, great wall colors, really nice unit, so let's go take a look. All right, so we're entering the unit, and you'll notice right away that you have a nice entry with closets right at the very beginning, and let's go inside and take a look. The unit feels very spacious. The vinyl plank flooring looks really good. It's been repainted, a nice neutral wall color. The appliances are stainless steel and look to be in good shape. Some nice light fixtures, and overall this is a really clean, open layout. And being top floor, it's nice and quiet. You don't have to worry about any footsteps above you. This den space over here, this offers opportunity to maybe put in a Murphy bed or a pillow couch or a home office area. And just going to tour around the entire unit. So you can see over here, we've got access outside and some really nice views to the west. So let's pop out there on this big deck and take a look. So let's take a look at this patio. Huge covered deck here with the vaulted ceiling, great views to the west of the Purcell Mountains, really nice space here, and you've got some views of the lake over, just little glimpses over here, and overall it's a really nice view and patio, and you don't get the traffic noise quite the same as being right over top of the road. So as we continue on, we've got a full bathroom, which is nice and clean, in great shape. The washer and dryer is actually tucked over here. Front loader, and this looks to be newer, not the original washer and dryer found in some units. And then we've got a really nice bedroom here. And the bedroom has a little bit of a side roof vault, but still decent ceiling height. Some of these top floor units can have really aggressive side vaults, and so this one is not bad at all. And a nice spacious room. Again, these views to the west. A little bit cloudy out there, but some nice views to the west. This unit would be ideal, whether it's to purchase to live in full-time or to use as a revenue generator for long-term or short-term rentals, or even just a recreational retreat and a place for your family to come and enjoy Lake Windermere, the mountains, and Panorama. It's a great location, great facility, and a great unit. This is offered at an aggressive price. Check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor to book your own in-person show. Thank you.